fix Roblox Marketplace Limited item price error. So to bypass price display glitches or purchasing errors with limited items on the Roblox, what you can do is use a browser desktop mode. Just go to your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to Roblox login page, then tap the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down and then tap request desktop site. Then log into your Roblox account and navigate to the marketplace to view accurate best price data instead of original price. Now the next what you can do is, if the main item page shows an incorrect or zero price, tap specifically on the resellers or not for sale or resale tab to force the app or site to load individual seller listings. Now the next thing what you can do is open the Roblox app or a web browser, then tap the menu in the top left, then scroll down to the bottom, then tap log out. Now to confirm, tap log out one more time and then log back in to clear token syncing errors. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.